When we write software in this class, we use a programming language called Swift. We write code using Swift syntax, much like we speak and write English using the syntax rules of the English language. If you're writing an essay in the English language, a software application like Google Docs or Apple Pages makes this easier to do than writing that essay out by hand on paper. In the same way, we could write Swift code using a basic text editor. However, an application called Xcode makes it much easier to write Swift code. Xcode is an example of an integrated development environment, or IDE. Among other things, Xcode translates the Swift code that you write into machine language instructions your computer's processor understands. Later on, you'll learn more about how Xcode makes writing apps in Swift a snap. Right now, we're going to download the latest version of Xcode from the App Store. To do this, open the App Store and then search for Xcode. If you've never installed Xcode on your computer before, choose View and then Get and follow the prompts to download Xcode. If you already have Xcode on your computer, you should see a blue Update button. If you've previously installed Xcode, you may see an icon like I do here, an arrow coming out of a cloud. Whatever you see here, click the button or icon. Note that downloading Xcode may take some time, so feel free to leave the update running on your computer while you do something else. If you are on a laptop computer, just be sure it's plugged into a power source. While the update runs, you can turn the screen brightness down to save battery power.